In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Reminders widget to your home screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first hold down your finger somewhere at free space of your home screen to bring up edit mode, and now you can tap on that plus sign to open up widget selector. And here just scroll down until you find Reminders, tap on that, and now you can select the size of Reminders widget. I'll select that one and then just hold down and drag it to your home screen. Now you can tap on Done, and if you want now to change the list of your reminders, all you have to do is hold down on that widget, then tap on Edit widget, and from here you can tap on List, and there at Lists you can select another list and then tap somewhere here to show another list in your Reminders widget. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.